All right, so increasing, decreasing. So I am going to go ahead here and I'm going to put my pluses and minuses on there. So it's getting bigger there, and it's going up there, and then it turns around and it goes negative for a while. Not negative, it goes down for a while, and it turns around and it goes plus up again. Now, right here, it doesn't do either. All right, so there's going to be a break in here where it doesn't do anything. So it's increasing from, now we got to be careful, it's always increasing over in this direction, which means it starts increasing at negative infinity, and then it comes up and it stops increasing right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to negative 8, it stops increasing. And then it starts increasing again at negative 5, and it increases all the way over to right here, which is negative 2. Then it decreases for a while, and then it spins around down there at the bottom, and it starts increasing again right here. That's at 1, and it increases to infinity. All right, so it increases forever in that direction. It's only decreasing in one spot between here and here. So it's only decreasing right there, which is from negative 2 over to 1. So it's only increasing or decreasing, sorry, from negative 2 to 1. All right, then where positive and negative has to do with, let's do it in green. When's it above that line and when's it below the axis? All right, and remember, negative's down here, negative is underneath, positive is on top. All right, so it is positive in this little tiny bit right here that I'll do in orange. This little tiny bit right there is positive, and then it's positive over there. So it's positive from negative 1, 2, 3. So negative 3 to negative 1.5, and those have parentheses because it's not positive on the axis. And then from 5 to infinity, it's also positive. 5 to infinity, it's also positive. All right. It's negative all the rest of the time, but we got to kind of look at where. So it's negative over like in here. All right. So it's negative there. So let's see here. Negative infinity. That's not, it's an 8. Negative infinity up to negative 3. It's positive. Then it's, or sorry, it's negative. Then it's positive for a little while. Then from negative 1.5 over to, sorry, negative 1.5 all the way down through here and then back over here, and it stops right there at 5. All right, so it's negative on those two intervals, which is a lot of the time. All right, most of this graph that I can see, it's negative for that part of the graph.